I have been working on starting a bunch of naked neck, different Silkies, showgirls. Look at my little baby over there. And I had a heck of a trouble. I could not find any Turken hens. No one. I find one, then maybe another one, but couldn't hardly find any. And then those two I bought as chicks and grew out. Even chicks last year I couldn't hardly find. But I finally, somebody went on Craigslist, a guy I bought several chickens from. In fact, I bought those from him. What are you guys doing? That's nasty. Quit eating poop. Anyways, he was selling all of his hens, which were 14, and I bought them all. There's some of them in here. This is one of my project barns. It used to be where Cosmo and Dizzy were, but I've changed. My roosters in here now are Dynabutt, Dropkick, which right there. And this little rooster right here will stay in here until about another month, and then I'll move him into the Cinnamon Queens. And I have, oh, right there, a black rooster right there. So I'll rearrange some things. I've been doing a lot of rearranging with my breeding groups as I learn more. Anyways, I thought I would show you my newest babies. Look at those girls. I wanted to get some cuckoo ones, but I do have some that I've bred. I've got some babies. I don't know if the babies, if you can see the babies. Yeah, you can. See the babies. But I've got all different colors, so eventually I will go to, these Turkens will go into a barn by themselves. And I have some Turken roosters that I'll put in there. But there is an update on this barn. Look how pretty he is. I call him a blue partridge. I don't know what he is. If you know what he is, let me know in the comments. All I care about is he is just as gorgeous as can be. Guys, this is Chris with Chickens for Chicks. And if you like what you saw, subscribe, come back, like the video. There'll be more. Lots of education, lots of babies.